experienced it in a real life. Close friends and old people that they are themselves. You see in life, bad mind, we can't concede and I'm endless. You have some people on the bad mind of your success. People on the bad mind of your growth. Them are all you do good enough. So not better than them. You see, the start of business, you will have a friend say, you're down, do it. But do it of a word. You see the moment you surpass him, and that's when you see the bad mind start developing. And that's what it means to work for you are. By the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. You know, like, no more, I see them in the community, and rub out him and live, and every day you see them on back, and buy my guineas, buy your fish, and suck your money. I am a cripple. Talk about work for you. And that's why someone go in here talk and fuck it. Because you know what work. You know the man never do say you work for you. So you find some more than that man. One thing I can tell you.
Ambition is a privilege, like remember the bad man is a different show. Some man who are church. Well, I never was a king, I never been a king, I never see the man back and try to get it. What the man never work here? What do you know? Every day you see me out the road and we are black. And you only think I'm from the young man. What do you know about the young man? If you can't tell about somebody else, you know what you everything you hear, we are the nothing in your you don't be out, come on. They don't know the things that they want to do to each other. Come here,
don't put on a button for the cause of the dominant time. Work for your man. You don't believe for the party, I don't know what you pass the winter. So we can juggle and party you. You don't kill you. It's supposed to man. You don't shut up with the man. DJ Bump and you and the kids and the no put it there. In a real life, you don't think everything on the house. Never feel like this. Bishop. Oh, the boss. Bishop, take care.
If your man say you, make sure that you say you're a man. If you're in the orange here, so come here. She not move something and she not leave. I'm back turn to me. You go right there to the dark and look at the inside and touch her for me. She's the one right there, so. If you're in the orange here, yes, she. Come up on the stage to my mama. I need you. You orange pum pum. Come up here. Let me find the rich pum pum. They're not black, you know. You can't look them way you are, bro. Come here, son. You understand? Since you have our fancy fool or down. Any man where you there with, I have to make sure that you do not drive, with taxi and go. This is rich pum pum turn on. You can't have them bandy like that and then pum pum will turn back in a virgin and you have to taxi. Them things do not work. So if you
don't act out. You know, listen. You can't go when you go to school, you see them over and deep one, you know. You know the way the teacher said. When the teacher said, don't sound different from them at all, how do you hear them? I'm going over your head. Yes, sir, she think, turn on again. She never born something. She goes through the separation. Yeah, you can see them collarbone and it's deep. Poor me makes you put her away. She chose to come up here. When I'm here go right now, we get 100 US to the year and she not even good up here. You want 100 more US? And if they have big out the rest of you, they think like a rush time and lock it. No. That's you. Yeah? See the ladies that's on the dress good and look good and smell good and shape good. We get money just to look good. Come on, you gotta pay my check on the down pay. Yeah. You see, mommy people get 100 US. She said, we tell us that. Prosper. What about? Where? Right up now? No, you know. Where there?
You're pretty, but you're boring.
them money. Come now. Let me take them up on board. Now this time, I don't know right now. 2901. 2910. J1. Why? A black. What color here? One killer. Move it. Father God, all of this money that I'm getting right now. The people that will give me the prayer that the angels of them generous to them run dry. And I just bless what them and them do. Whether they will work, whether they will teach. Do the business, take it to the Lord in prayer. I thank you. Bye. Wow. Wow. Zion, this is the best of our band and something. We're not picking a side and we're not doing musical politics. You see me? Come on and know, say unity is strength. You got blood flash up the bus. You know McGregor. Yeah, when you go read him, I know it go. But like change his name. You see me? Any ghetto you see a strive when you hate it. God may like you. You book your cabin of the hell already. Pussy. Any you see a girl in your ear and do nails and you hate her. Pussy because you can't do it. God may like you. Go find a skill. Some of the girl you think you're all good. You could have fuck their living. There was a pussy girl and I see a material and they put out and they pussy, you know. So just do what you want to do. Some people don't like it. But I hear we are surviving. You know what I'm talking about? I'm tell you.